She cried in joy when she saw her lost child return home. The letter was written with love and hope. Tears rolled down her cheeks as she read the goodbye message. He spoke with a trembling voice when he told her the truth. The memories live in her heart forever. She smiled with tears after hearing the good news. His voice was filled with emotions when he said goodbye. The child ran into her arms and hugged tightly. He is drowning in his thoughts every night. Her heart broke into 1,000 pieces when she saw the letter.